Hello, this is Dominic Renda, and we are out at the beautiful Palisades Park today, and I stopped these two beautiful women. And your names are?
Paloma.
Paloma.
And Maria.
And Maria. And are you two from this area?
No, we are from Spain actually. From Europe.
We live here in Santa Monica.
Yeah.
So have you relocated to Santa Monica, or are you just visiting on holiday?
Well, we came for the summer, and we've been here for 2 months already, and now we are going to Venice Beach by bike.
What's happening in Venice Beach?
I hope there's a big party, but we don't know.
Well, I hope if there's a big party, you come back and invite me.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, of course we will.
So do you think maybe you're going to relocate to the States, or you plan to go home after summer?
Well, we have to go back home, but we plan to come back next year.
Yeah.
Probably to New York actually.
It's
We love
fabulous.
the States.
Yeah, so what is it that draws you out here to the States?
Excuse me?
What is it that draws you out here? What is it that you love so much about this beautiful country?
Well, we were looking for beaches, good weather, good people, and we thought, okay, California sounds great, so we came up here.
Yeah.
Very nice. And I guess it's met your expectations?
Yeah, sure.
That's wonderful. Well, I appreciate both of you stopping to talk with me, and I invite you to come back and invite us to your party,
Okay, we will.
and have a fun afternoon in Venice.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Well, that's it from Palisades Park. Come on out and join us on a bike ride.